In today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you 3 easy ways you can use this AI tool right here called 11labs.io to make money online, and this is going to be in conjunction with CPA marketing right here. And guys, with this strategy which I'm about to reveal to you, you don't need any social media following. You don't actually need to go onto having a website right there or to invest in any form of money for this strategy. This is going to be done for absolutely free because you can do this from any location out there in the world. All you need to do is watch this video right now to the end to learn this strategy and implement that to also make money online. And guys, if you're new to my channel, OJ Marketing, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and other ways you could make money online. If you like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos that could help you out right now. Also guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel right here and your notification bell is always turned on all to get alerted whenever I do release cool videos that could help you go on to boosting your income online. With that being said, and no more delay of time, let's dive right into the video of today. So if you're familiar with this AI tool already called 11labs.io, you will know that this AI tool is actually a text-to-speech AI tool where you can just simply insert a text and it converts that into an amazing voiceover you could utilize right now for any purpose of your choice. And guys, the AI tool actually have a new feature right now which is called the dubbing. If you do select this right here, this section right here called the dubbing feature is actually a very cool one that you can use right here to make money, in the sense that all you need to do is to actually go on to dubbing and video right now, in the sense that if you actually do dub a video, you can change the video from a specific language to another language, maybe from English to Spanish right now, or from English to French, or any other language of your choice. If you do click on this section right here which says create new dub, you just simply have to insert the dub name right now. You want to just simply go into selecting the source language, which is going to be English. You can actually translate that right now to something like Spanish right here, or any language of your choice. You could upload the video right now via this section. You could just simply come right here on YouTube to convert a YouTube video to another language right now. Supposing I want to convert one of my videos right here to another language, I'm just going to scroll through. Maybe I want to convert a CPA marketing video to another language. All I need to do right now is to just simply select the video, right click on the video and copy the video address, that is the link address to this particular video. I'm going to head back to this particular page which is 11 labs right now and paste that link right here in this section. Once the link has been pasted, I can actually go on to creating my dub after inserting my name. So right here you could actually go on to selecting the number of speakers that was in that particular work, and it's actually one speaker right now. The resolution, you could actually select that right here and go on to creating your dub with this particular platform right now. So this is actually cool right now. And how do you use this to make money right here? It is quite easy. Once you actually do translate that to a specific language, maybe Spanish right now, all you need to do is to head onto your CPA marketing platform like CPA Grip, which is the first strategy which you could use to make money. Go on to signing up for an account. You're brought to this page right here and you just need to go on to filling out the basic details like your first name, your last name, the street address, the country right now, the city, state and region, phone number, and other fields having this red asterisk sign. So focus on only the field with the red asterisk sign. Then you want to agree to the terms of service right now and just simply get an account created. Once your account has been created, go on to log in into your account. So once you do log into your account guys, you want to come onto this offer section where you just simply need to select the offer tools option, select my offers, be brought to this page, and you can actually go on to changing the country of your choice to the specific country to which you actually dubbed this into. And since I'm dubbing this into Spanish, I'm just going to go on to selecting Spain and actually select a very cool offer right now from the Spain demographic right here. You can see some offers right here are actually giving a payout of $8.21. Maybe I'm just going to go on to scrolling through until I can see a cool sweepstake offer. This is a cool one right here for a PS5 right now. Even though I can't read the language right here, you can actually do note what the offer is all about based on the image and some words right here. This is actually for PS5. This is for 500 euros giveaway right now. As you can see, this is for an iPhone 14 giveaway. That's quite cool right now. Supposing I just select this offer right here, You can see that this is for an iPhone 14 Pro Max giveaway, and you just need to copy the link to this right here. Head on to platforms like this platform right here called opus.pro. If you head on to opus.pro, this is actually an amazing platform right here where you could just simply go on to repurposing one long video into 10 viral clips. So right here guys, you can convert a long video which you actually dubbed right now into Spanish language into 10 viral clips right here, where this platform is actually going to go on to getting the highlights of that particular video right now and convert that into something like a short or a reels right now. As you can see, this is suitable for video podcast, educational video, commentary videos, product review videos, and motivational speeches. It is not good for vlogs, gaming videos, music videos. So what you want to do right now is to come down to the bottom section. As you can see right here, I already have some videos that I've actually converted right now or into 10 viral clips right now. You can see all you need to do is to paste in the link right here to that particular YouTube video or the video which you actually want to convert right now into 10 viral clips. That is a Spanish video which we've converted right now. You want to click on get clips in one click, and that will actually be converted into 10 viral clips. So take a look at one of this particular video right here. As you can see, this video right here is actually a YouTube video that I converted into 10 viral clips. And if I do keep on scrolling down, you can see this is the second clip, this is the third. If I scroll down to the bottom right now, you can see this is the 10th clip right now, and each clip is actually having a specific score right now, which indicates the likelihood that that video will go viral on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. And if I do keep on scrolling to the top, you can see that the score keep on increasing from the bottom to the top right now. And guys, the higher the score, the better for you right here. You can see some scores are actually having the 99 right here, which indicates that this video can easily go viral. So once you do that right here, you could download the video on your device right here by clicking on this download icon. Head on to platforms like TikTok right here and go on to uploading that on this platform. So if you do upload that on TikTok right now, you also want to make sure that the link to this particular offer right now, which you can have right here, is actually available in the description of your or in the bio of your account or the description of that particular video right now, so that once people actually from Spain watches that video, they're actually going to understand the language because that was actually dubbed and converted to Spanish. And once they do understand that, they can just simply go on to utilizing that right there. Check out the link in the description of the video or in the bio of your account and go on to completing that particular offer right now, and you do get paid some cool cash. Because for the offer right here, all you actually need to do is to get people using Apple iOS devices from the Spain demographic to submit their email address and zip code, and you do get paid this particular amount right now, which is $1.02. So this is quite cool right now. So you can use this to make money. This is a very cool strategy you want to utilize, and that is one strategy right now. The second strategy which you could utilize this platform right here to make money online is to actually go on to working as a freelancer on platforms like TikTok or Fiverr right here, and also Upwork right now. So you want to just simply get to work as a freelancer on such platforms. And if you do actually come right here and do maybe transcribing from English to Spanish, so you can actually do see right here, this person actually does voiceover work, and you can see right here this person says, I will dub voiceover translate your video English to Spanish right now, and it charges about $5 per 125 words. And people are actually offering such gigs on this platform right here that are quite amazing right now. But the thing is that most people does not actually know that this particular AI tool called 11 Labs has this particular feature right now. So if you do go onto this platform like Fiverr, Upwork, and other freelancing platform offer such gigs right now, you can actually go on to earning some cool cash right now. If you do get a job, you can utilize the 11 Labs to go on to completing that task right now and go on to making money right here from this particular platform. So this is quite cool right now. Utilize this right here to make some cool cash online. Another strategy which you could also go on to utilizing this platform right here to make money online, which is the third strategy, is to actually go on to focusing on YouTube automation. So if you actually do have a YouTube account like I have right here, all you need to do is to actually go on to creating a separate account right now. Maybe if I'm actually having this account OJ Marketing, I can create a separate account which is OJ Marketing in Spanish, and actually go on to dubbing each and every video I actually have right here on my account. I'm going to dub that video and convert that to Spanish. And if I do convert that to Spanish right there, guys, I'm just going to be uploading that on that particular channel, and I'll be also making money from that channel in terms of YouTube revenue right now, and ad revenue and some other kinds of revenues. So you can actually make money right there with this particular strategy right now. Or you could actually go on to using another person's or dubbing another person's video or account right there, which you actually have permission right there. You may actually come onto people's channel, ask for permission first of all before going on to dubbing their videos right now, and going on to reposting them on a channel of yours, and going to making money with the help of this particular platform right here called 11 Labs. So these are 3 cool and amazing platform strategies that this platform can actually help you make a lot of money online. And if the video added any form of value, why not just simply smash the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all right here. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye. And also check out the video which you can see on the screen right here to learn more strategies to make money online.